respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Andrea.
Myself Ankita.
We are from grade 7. Today we have gathered here to celebrate National Constitution Day. Happy Constitution Day to everyone. Ankita, what is Constitution?
Constitution Day is also known as National Law Day. It is celebrated on 26th November to commemorate the adoption of Indian Constitution. In 1949, it came into effect on 26th January, which we celebrate as Republic Day. Some of the important things the Constitution contains: values and ideals of society, structure and formation of government, guiding principles for government, political system.
Our constitution is something like a rule book for the country, right?
Yes.
Wow, Ankita, I got to know very clearly what is a constitution. Thank you for your valuable information. Now, on this special occasion, I call Deepthi from grade 10 to share some more information about Indian Constitution.
Good morning to everyone. I am Deepthi from grade 10. Today I am here to speak about why do we need Constitution in our India and how the Constitution was framed in our country. A Constitution clearly defines a role, responsibility, accountability, functions for each organ of the government. We need Constitution to establish a framework of governance, defines the government's powers and the right for the citizens. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was recognized as the chief architect and chairman of the drafting committee. Other members of this drafting committee were Dr. K. Munshi, N. Ramaswamy Iyengar, N. Madhava Rao were the members of this drafting committee. A number of members of the freedom struggle were also the members of the Constituent Assembly. Ideas such as freedom for all, equality, justice, fraternity were carried from the freedom struggle to the Constitution. These ideas were adopted from the constitutions of other countries. For example, the ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity were adopted from the France Constitution. Directive principles of state policy were inspired from the Irish Constitution. And the American Constitution helped to shape a concept of independent judiciary in our country. In this way, our Constitution of India was framed and implemented in our country in 1950. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepthi.
Now I call Gautami from grade 9 to share some interesting facts about our Constitution.
Good morning everyone, I am Gautami from grade 9. Today I am going to tell interesting facts about Indian Constitution. Our Indian Constitution is one of the longest handwritten constitution in the world. It has 395 articles and 12 schedules. After countless amendments, now the Constitution contains 448 articles and 12 schedules. It is originally handwritten by the calligrapher Prem Bihari Narain Razedam. It is climatically preserved and stored with helium walnut. The Constitution is kept in the National Archives of India. The Constitution is written in the both English and Hindi, and the Constitution is the symbol of elephant, and the Constitution was drafted. The time taken was 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. The Constitution cost 6.4 million rupees. And Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was regarded as the father of Indian Constitution because he had researched the laws of 60 other nations. Thank you.
Thank you, Gautami. It was an amazing information.
Now I would like to welcome Abhinandan from grade
Good morning everyone. I am Bhim Rao Ranji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, born on April 14, 1891 in Mahar family in Madhya Pradesh. My early life was marked by poverty and social discrimination due to Dalit background. I championed the Knights of Dalits. I became the first law minister of India. I played a key role in drafting the Indian Constitution. I fought for equal rights, for advocating women's for Hindu Code Bill. I worked for ensuring constitutional guarantees for civil liberties, abolishing untouchability, and implementing a system of reservations for marginalized groups. My dear friends, educate, agitate, and organize. Life should be great rather than long. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinandan.
I invite grade 9 students to tell the preamble of our Indian Constitution.
The people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
We have grade 7 students to tell the meaning of the preamble.
People of India, the Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representatives and not handed down to them by king or any outside power.
We the people have the supreme right to make their decision as internal as well as external. No external power can detect the government of India.
Wealth is generated socially and should be shared by the society to regulate the ownership of land and industry to reduce socio-economy and inequality.
Secular citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion, but there is no official religion. Government treats all religious beliefs and respect with equal respect.
A form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their rules and hold them accountable. Government is run according to some base rules.
The head of the state is elected person, not a hereditary position.
Citizens cannot be discriminated in the groups of caste, religious and gender. Social inequalities have to be reduced. Government should work for welfare of people, especially for less advantaged groups.
Liberty. There are no unreasonable restrictions on the citizens in what they think, how they wish to express
thoughts and the way they wish their follow in thoughts in action.
All are equal before the law. The social inequalities have to be ended. Government ensure opportunity for all.
All of us should behave as if we are the members of same family. No one should treat fellow citizen as inferior. Thank you.
My friends,
As students, we are the future custodians for this great charter pledge to read preamble, uphold the values of justice, liberty, fraternity and equality and become the responsible citizens.
Jai Hind, once again happy Constitution Day to everyone.